Hi, this is a CDC recommended face covering with tie strings. To provide extra protection, we'll add a filter pocket. What's different? Tie string face mask will give your ears some rest. Supplies needed are a 100% cotton t-shirt, ruler, and scissor. Before you make any DIY t-shirt mask, choose a material that is cotton blend or 100% cotton and perform a light test on it. The lesser the light, the better it is. I'm using the same t-shirt I used in my previous video. Step 1. Cut 7 to 8 inches from the bottom of the shirt. Here I measure and cut 7.5 inches. Step 2. Cut out 6 to 7 inches to form the tie strings. Here I measure and cut 6.5 inches. Keep the cutout piece, then cut right here in the middle. This is an extra step. Step 3. Reuse the cutout piece and hot glue it in the middle of the mask, the section right where our nose and mouth will be. Glue the top and the sides of the cutout piece. Leave the bottom portion open. Now we've added a filter pocket. Simple, isn't it? Insert 2 to 3 coffee filters for added protection. Voila! Your easy face mask with tie strings. You may need to adjust the size later. I had to cut out a few more inches to have a proper fit over my nose and mouth. The bottom tie string go around the neck and top tie string over the top of your head. If you've made it this far, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Click here to watch how I made a face mask using the same t-shirt's sleeve. Thank you for watching and stay safe and healthy.